I'm Will Rodgers, and we're here at the 2019 UTV World Championships. I'm the driver of the Hercules Tire number T808 Desert Car and the 4540 Pro Turbo UTV Short Course Car. You know, this is really the biggest UTV race on the planet. Over 419 entries are here, tons of competition, tons of big sponsors and players. The Martelli Bros have really brought this thing and made it into a spectacle of the sport. So I'm really happy to be here in full force with Hercules Tire. When it comes time to drop the green flag, it'll be hammer down and fighting for everything I can get. Yeah, given all the experience I have in different forms of racing, I think that I can really use that to my advantage here, specifically at the UTV World Championship, because it is a very fast-paced race. It really fits my racing style, you know, being able to just go as hard as I possibly can. I have a little bit of a differing strategy between the desert car and the short course car. The desert race, I do have to pace myself a little bit. It's a bit faster than others, but still have to be mindful of the equipment to make sure I finish. The short course race, however, that's flat out as fast as I can go from the drop of the green to the checkers. So that's kind of my strategy, and hopefully it works out. Tires are very critical at the UTV World Championships, being that it's very sandy and you get little rocks everywhere, but really the tires will be spinning and you need to find that traction. So from my past experience racing with these tires here at the UTV World Championships in 2017, I know they perform very well in this atmosphere, along with any other obstacles we might hit out on the race course. Being that we raced the Mint 400 this year, the tires were flawless all day, and they're very competitive against all the other brands. So no matter what this course throws at me, I know we'll be all right.